Hey facts lovers, this is Fact Express and you're watching some amazing facts, so let's move on to the video. Did you know? Never get too attached cause people wake up with different feelings every day. This is bent rail tracks in New Zealand after earthquake. Did you know? The peak of Chimborazo is the point on the earth closest to the sun. A patient once received a heart transplant from the suicide victim. Then he married the donor's wife and 4 years later he killed himself the same way as the donor. Did you know? Cuteness inspires aggression, which is why we often want to squeeze things we find cute. Hey facts lovers, if you like this video then please do like and subscribe this channel. You know what? A lycnobite is someone who sleeps all day and work at night. In the United States, sitting on a sea turtle is a third-degree felony. Did you know? In Germany, while waiting for green light on the street, you can play table tennis or ping pong with the person who is waiting on the opposite side of the street. You know what? Poor eyesight, that is myopia, is associated with higher IQ. In the Philippines, they have broke the world record after planting 3.2 million trees in just 1 hour. This is 800-year-old stave church made entirely from wood without a single nail in 1181 Norway. A small lake in Africa killed 1,700 villagers and 3,500 livestock overnight when it suddenly released 300 tons of carbon dioxide, suffocating everything within 16 miles. This is the final test of self-control for police dogs. This Russian photographer captures the cutest photo session ever. Things to remember: worrying will never change the outcome. The lag gap between these two pictures is possibly greater than Graham's Bell number. In 1977, we received a radio signal from space that lasted 72 seconds. To this day, we still don't know from where it came from. While you're talking with someone, use his or her name frequently. It makes people feel they have a personal connection with you. Sometimes it's better to bunk class and enjoy with friends because today when I look back, marks never make me happy but memories do. Did you know? This is the graphene aerogel, the lightest solid material created. This is Anthony Borges. He used his body to hold the classroom door shut, protecting 20 other students inside as the gunman fired through the door, hitting him 5 times. Did you know in 1924 people used to play real life chess called human chess? Ona Chaplin, who played Robb Stark's wife in the Game of Thrones, is Charlie Chaplin's granddaughter. You know what? We are more creative in night and least creative in afternoon. If you download a PDF file and you see its end with exe, delete it. It's usually a virus. Did you know Amazon rainforests produce more than 20% of the world's oxygen supply? The wood frog can hold its pee for up to 8 months. Did you know in Japan all the old phone booths are converted into aquariums? Without the memory of past, we cannot operate in the present. Did you know there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth? Every day, a human collectively spends 1.2 million years on social media. A 100-pound woman in heels exerts more pressure on the ground than 6,000-pound elephant. Did you know Facebook is linked to 1 out of every 5 divorces? More than 7,000 types of apples grown throughout the world. Did you know Wikipedia is maintained by thousands of bots? Australia has over 10,000 beaches. You could visit a new beach every day for over 27 years. Did you know mating at least once in a week can lower a man's risk of heart disease by 30%? Hey guys, if you like this video then please do a like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next one. Till then you can watch my more videos.